Hi, this is Christina the Happy Heretic with Paul Pear.
Hi.
Paul, what is this?
This is, well, ostensibly it's a grow light, but it's actually...
Well, the genesis of it was we are trying to do more edible plants over winter. I've got some things in the fall garden going, but I said, the way our house is laid out, we've got trees around and things like that. We get a fair amount of ambient light in the house, but nothing strong enough to grow anything really. And even in the places that we could, the dogs knocked over my plants. It's a long story. So I said, I need a little light for a grow room. So let's find one.
So I found one.
You found one. What is this?
Right.
Very heavy. This is not plastic, as he pointed out.
No, this is metal. It's not light. And it is a 20,000 lumen industrial warehouse LED light that puts out light on a 5700 Kelvin spectrum, which is perfect for grow lights. The only thing about it is that it suggested that it be mounted 20 feet from the floor because warehouse.
And we have 8-foot ceilings.
But it'll be really bright.
Is it dimmable?
It is dimmable,
there you
they
go.
say.
That's the important part.
But why would we? I mean, it's a lot. Some good, more better.
So what's the brand and things like that?
The brand is...
So the list price
was
is
$649.
But this one light is all the light. You don't need any more lights, ever, anywhere.
You should tell them that we bought it as... No.
So what's the brand name?
It's by Miritech. It is
And the specs on it again? I am just so tickled. I just want to hook it up and bring all my plants in.
It's a 20,000 lumen.
This is crazy.
It's a 20,000 lumen that emits on a 5700 Kelvin spectrum.
Okay. Do you have the paperwork? Does it have like a...
Well, this is the light with all the...
No, I was just looking for a logo or something. But anyway.
We got it from LED My
That's what...
Place.
Whoa, I almost dropped it.
LED My Place is the name of the company that sells it.
Okay. And I don't usually do product endorsements. And in all fairness, by the way, we have not tried it yet. So I was just pretty excited to set up the indoor grow room right now, in the next couple of weeks. And I will post another video letting you guys know how it works, and we'll do a demonstration and things like that and see if it's something that you guys might consider for your grow room. I'm thinking I could definitely grow the microgreens again, honey. What do you think?
I think we can grow all the microgreens.
Will you eat them?
I will eat them.
Okay. Well, in that case, it's Christina the Happy Heretic and Paul Pear.
Hi.
And like it if you like it. And oh, by the way, pop any questions you have about it or anything you want me to try or demonstrate with it in the comments, and I'll get right back to you. But other than that, like it if you like it, and subscribe if you want to see what crazy thing I'm up to on any given day.